I don't have a separate PPT for that. Okay. Let me use the existing one. Topic name is the reminder theorem. We need to only find the reminder in this. For example, if I say 12 divided by 5, what is the remainder? Remainder is what? 2. How to? 5 2s are 10, remainder is 2 itself. Okay. If I say divided by 11, 1. 12 power 318 divided by 11. Now tell me one thing. What is 6 by 5 remainder? 1. 6 square is another. 6 square? 36. When divided by 5? 36 divided by 5. Remainder is 1. So can I say the number 6 is one number greater than 5? Can I say 6? When I divide 6 by 5, what is the remainder? 1. Power another 1? Same power. Okay? Divided by 5. What is 1 power to 1? Remainder is 1 itself. Now tell me 12 power 318 divided by 11. What is the remainder? 1. Yakandre, if you ignore this, what is the original remainder? 1. Power into 318. So 3 power 318 another 1 only. 1 if you divide by 11 or any other number, the remainder is what? 1 answer. Are you understanding this point? Write down this example. In short, this is the remainder thing. How questions will come is, they will give you this. 17 power 18 plus 17 divided by 16. In particular answer 17 power 60, 18 plus 17 by 16. So I'll split it in two parts. The first one, if I divide 17 by 16, what is the original remainder? 1. 1 power another 18 plus 1. Yes, 1 to 1 plus 1. 2 by 16. What is the remainder? 2. Are you understanding that point? Only focus is on the remainder, no nothing else. Another question. 77 power 312 plus 78 divided by 76. 77 power 312 plus 78 divided by 76. Now tell me, 77 when divided by 76, what is the first remainder? 1 plus 1 power 312, that is 1 itself, plus 78 divided by 76. 2. 1 plus 2 in 2, 3 by 76. The remainder is 3 itself. Are you understanding this point? So in a very simple way, we have learned this method. Okay. Now you may ask that earlier question you said that 14 divided by 6 power 4. If I take this, so normally what is the remainder? 14 when divided by 6, what is the remainder? 2. Power n into 2. So 6. Again 4 by 6, what is the remainder? 4. This is how you will go forward. Any doubts so far? No? Again, there are high-end questions. If you are going for your masters or any competitive or not competitive research method, there are some high-end techniques which we use. As of now, let me keep it very simple for you. We'll have one more concept. What if the number is less? For example, if I say 10 when divided by 11, what is the remainder?
Minus one remainder.
10 when divided by 11. If I say 100 divided by 11, what is the remainder? 100 when divided by 11, what is the remainder? 1. Okay. If I say 1000 when divided by 11, what is the remainder? 1. Okay. If I say 10 power 1, what is the remainder? 1 or 10? 10 when divided by 11, 11 zeros are 0. Point you will get the 100. Correct. So what is the remainder? 10 itself, right?
Yes.
The numerator. Now, if I say this square, how much the number is less this number 10?
1.
Again, I am saying. You are confusing here itself. Let me take the smaller number. I will take 2 when divided by 3. Easy only. If I say 2 square, what is 2 square? 4. Remainder ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? 1. But what I'll do, I'll say that the number 2 is how much less when compared to 3? Minus 1. Minus 1 ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Minus 1. Power ಏನದ? Minus 1 square ಏನದ? 1. So remainder is 1. If I say cube, what is 2 cube? 6. 6. What is 2 cube? 8. Remainder ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? 8 when divided by 3. 8 2s are 6. What is the remainder? 2. Remainder 2 ಬರಬೇಕಾ? Now tell me, ignore the power. What is the initial value? Minus 1. 2 is one number less. That power into 3 divided by 3. So minus 1 cube is minus 1 itself.
Yes.
Minus 1. You have this negative concept in unit digit where you take the power of 10. In this we have negative remainder. In negative remainder, denominator ಏನದ? 3. Add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. If I say minus 2 divided by 7, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್? minus 2 plus 7 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? If I say minus 3 divided by 15, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು? 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 12. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನದ? 12. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 5. ಇಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬಂತು? minus 1 plus 3 2. Initial answer 2 ಅದಲ್ಲ? 2 cube is 8. 8 when divided by 3. Remainder is 2. Answer no 2 ಬಂತು. Did you understand this part? Now let me make it very simple way. If I say 2 power 313 divided by 3. Very easy one. What is the answer now? What is the remainder? Number even at the order. Order. So il plus 1 ಬರಬೇಕಾ minus 1 ಬರಬೇಕಾ? minus 1. minus 1 power order even at the order. minus 1 power odd is minus 1 itself. Divided by ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? 3. So 3 plus minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Remainder 2. Are you understanding this part? If I say 16 divided by 17, 4 power 181. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಮತ್ತು? minus 1 divided by 17. What is the remainder? 16. Very good. Did you understand this part? That is negative answer for you. Two concepts. Again I am saying, if you have positive, that is 13 divided by 6, whole power 18. Remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. How? 6 2s are 12. What is the remainder? 1 power 18 divided by 6. Remainder is 1. Okay? Second one. If I have 77 to the power 78 to the power 318 plus minus 78 7. ಈಗ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. This number minus 1 or plus 1? Minus 1. Minus 1 power even or odd? Even or odd? Even. Let me make it odd for you. So minus 1 power odd ಏನದ? minus 1 plus minus minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Yes, take 2. Minus of minus 1 array. What, sir? If I add this, it will be addition. Now you tell me. Minus 1 plus minus 1. Into ila. Minus 1 plus minus 1. Minus 2 divided by another. Answer in go 76. Are you understanding this point? Write down. That is a whole reminder theorem for you. Again, I am saying bit complicated topic. In my college, I taught this topic for like 2 hours. Multiple things are there in this topic. I asked the students, ask me any question, come up with questions, which is most difficult one. The notorious kid from the backbenchers, what they did, they opened the Google, went to ChatGPT, and the prompt they wrote is impossible question to be solved in reminder theorem. And they were showing that to me itself. So, if you have any such question, bring it to me, we'll solve it. Okay? Next, shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in reminder theorem? I'm guaranteed that no matter which question you take in unit digit, you can solve it easily. Same thing goes with number of trailing zero. Again, we have some concept in those. I'm not going in depth actually. I'm going at the layer phase itself. Since it's your first time listening to the classes. Did you know all these things earlier? If you know, I'll take it to the advanced level. Is it simple what we are learning as of now? Write on the heading percentage. Percentage. Okay, I have a percentage. Yes. MBA students and all the other departments, we use percentages very often. Once you get the result, what is the percentage? Once you get the attendance sheet, what is the percentage of the attendance you check? How much percentage you can bypass for the attendance also. You check that also. Correct? Now, if I say that, we'll start with a very basic. Let us say Arun is a candidate and he scored 200 marks out of 50. Out of 500. Paper is of 500, he scored 200 marks. What is his percentage?
30%.
Percentage ಏನಂತು?
45%.
30%.
Okay. 30, 45, sorry, 40, and then 45. 40. That is score marks is how much? 200 out of into 100. Why into 100 here? Oh, nice. That is 20. 22 is 100. Okay. Now there are some concepts which I would like to tell. What is 30% of 70? Write on this. And make a habit of taking running notes. 30% of 70. Now don't not open your calculators. Please. 30% of 30 by 100 into 70. You see these zeros will be cancelled over here. 7 3s are 21. So answer is 21. So simply in just select two numbers in the range. And 2 zeros in the range, cancel them out. Cancel 2 zeros, multiply the value. 7 3s are 21. Okay? 40% of 80. What is 40% of 80? Cancel 0 and 0. 8 goes up 32. Did you understood this one? If I say 10% of 50, 550, what is the value? 0 cancel. 55 comes 55. Did you understood this one? Any doubts over here? If I say, no sir, 7% of 20. You tell me. 7% of 20. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ 1 0 ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 7 2s are 14. But again that should be divided by 10. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 1 0 missing ಅದ. So that is how much? 1.4. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Any doubts? Only ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Next, percentage to fraction. Before going there, a few things. Let us say 1480. Okay. What is 76.4% of this? 1480. What is 76.4% of that number? 76.4% of that number. So I'll tell one thing. First, take out 70%. What is 70% of this? 70% of 1480. You see 2 zeros in the end. Cancel 2 0 and multiply. ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. 1036. Now tell me. Next another 6%. Find out what is 1%. 1% is 2. 1% is what? 14.80. 1% is 14.80. 6% andre into 6 multiplied as 2. 6% of 1480. Or else you can multiply directly. You can multiply directly also. Hangu ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Correct? 0 cancel ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 6 8s are 48. 6 4s are 24 plus 4 28. Next 6 1s are 6 plus 2 correct? That is 8.88. 8.88 or 88.88? 88.88. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ divide by 10 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next another 0.4%. 1% ಎಷ್ಟದ into 4 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. That will be decimal over here itself. So 0, 4 8s are 32, 4 4s are 16, 17 18 19, 1 carry 9, 1s are 4, 5. That is 5.920. And there you go. This is how you can calculate without using calculator. Okay? I hope it is making some sense for you. You know, 4 days are very less in order to see the deliver the concept. Let me know if I am going way too fast or if you are not able to understand. Kindly raise your hand again. I am saying I'll repeat the question again and again 1000 times also. Okay? I think we are recording the sessions. Yes? Okay. I have to be very careful. Next, percentage to fraction. Very easy. Percentage to fraction. So this recording will be shared to everyone. It will be sent to YouTube channel. It is live. Actually, the students who are in the today, they can sit there at home and they can practice. Yaar madala gottu. Asking this. Very next, percentage to fraction. If I say 20%, in terms of fraction, percentage it will be divided 20 by 100%. If you remember the percentage, it will be divided by. So 0 and 0 get cancelled. What is the value? 1 by 5. And then you know 20% is nothing but 1 by 5. Find out what is 37.5%. 37.5% in terms of fraction. $37.5, 375 divided by 1000. If I remove the point, it will be 0. Correct? Fractional rate is another. One number by two, I need a fraction of that. Divisible by 25 table like this. 5 divided by
3 by 4. 3 by 4.
Huh?
3 by 4.
3 by 4. 3 by 4. 3 by 8. 3 by 8.
Yes, sir.
The one who are still doing, write down directly 3 by 8. In the home you can do it. बताइए 37.5% in terms of fraction is how much? 3 by 8. Now I write down fraction table. Write down the heading fraction table. See, every fraction says some percentage. For example, 1 by 2.
50%.
1 by 2 andre you know half. Out of 2 parts, there is only 1 part we are selecting. So 1 andre is to 100%. Complete 100%. If I say 1 by 2, what is 1 by 2? 50%. If 1 by 2 is 50%, what is 2 by 2? 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. 1 is how much? 100. Next, write down 1 by 3. 33.33%. Write down. Next, 1 by 4. 25%. Amele. 1 by 5. 20%. Just now we have seen that. Till here, everyone should have no doubts except this 1 by 3. This is a unique one. Now, from here I'll continue. Did you write this down? Written? One by 5. Write down the next number also. 1 by 6. 1 by 6. That is 16.66%. 1 by 6. Very important one. 16.66%. Hey guys, you guys will have finance and banking also, right?
Finance and HR.
Finance and
HR.
HR. Okay. Finance and HR. Banking system will be there in you. You'll be calculating some interest like simple interest, compound interest, all those things. Interested in learning? I'm making that. You guys teach me simple interest and compound interest. Okay? Working, I will work next week. Next, 1 by 7. Write down. 14.28. Next, 1 by 14. 7.14. 1 by 8. 12.5%. Amele. 1 by 12. 8.33%. 1 by 9. Write down 11.11%. Next, 1 by 11. 9.09%. There you go. See, in a way, these two numbers are connected. These two fractions are connected. If I say 1 by 7, 7 to the 14 to the 28. Did you understand? Next, 1 by 8, 12.5%. 1 by 12.5. Next, then what is, okay, 1 by 9 is to the 11.11. Amen. 1 by 11 ಏನಾಯ್ತು 9.09. Now say the fraction you tell me the percentage. 1 1 by 2 2 by 2
100.
1 by 3. What is 2 by 3? What is 2 by 3? 66.66. What is 3 by 3? 100. Thank God, no one said 99%. Next, 1 by 4. 25. 2 by 4. 2 by 4.
50.
You are adding 25 and 25 two times. 3 by 4. 75. 4 by 4. 100. Did you understand? One value is represented by that particular fraction. Now if I say 1 by 5, yes, but 1 by 5, 20. 2 by 5, 40. First case, Arun scored 200 marks out of 500. So that is 2 by 5 only, na? 2 by 5, first case is 40%. Next, 3 by 5, 60. If I say 80%, what is the value? 80%. 4 by 5. If I say 40%, it should be how much? 2 by 5. 60%, 3 by 5. 80%, 4 by 5. Did you understand this? 1 by 6. 16.66. Hitting with the bat 1 by 6, 16.66. Next, 1 by 7. 1 by 14. 7.14. 1 by 8. 12.5. 1 by 12. 8.33. Next, 1 by 11. 1 by 9. 11.11. So 1 by 9 is how much? 11. 1 by 9 is how much? 2 by 9. 3 by 9. 3 by 9 is nothing but 1 by 3. Same connect aitala. Are you understanding this? If you got 4 by 5, 4 by 9. 4 by 9, 44.44. Okay. This is a very basic thing that we have covered. Now, there are certain ideas. I don't want to forget. Let's go with this. Fraction. I have some questions which are reserved. I'll show it in like a few minutes. As of now, concentrate over here itself. Now, very basic concept. 20 is what percent of 80? Write down this question first. Second one. 70 is what percent of, okay. What percent of 560 is 70? What percent of 560 is 70? Two questions. The formula which you have to use is by of. What is the value in the first one? Ease. Ease is coming with 20. Off is coming with 80. So 20 by 80 into 100. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 fours are. What is 1 by 4? 1 by 4. 25%. Did you understood this? Similarly, solve the second one. Concept is very simple. Ease by off. See what is ease? That is your numerator. What is off? That is your denominator. What is the numerator here? Second question. Ease yelada 70. Off yelada 560. 70 by 560. So cancel. In 7 table plus 56 come. 7 8 are 56. So 1 by 8. What is 1 by 8 in terms of 12.5%. I hope you are understanding this. Okay? Very easy and very subtle to solve the questions. Any doubts so far? Next topic. Okay. 30% of a number is 21. 30% is another 21. What is 100% of the number? 30% of a number is 21. 100% is another. So 30% is another. 30%. Yes, sir. 21. So 1% is
70%.
70
ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
divided by 30. Okay. So 30% is 21. 1% is nothing but this will come here. So that is 1%. 100% is 2 into 100. So 100% is nothing but 21 by 30 into 100. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 3 sevens are 7 into 10, 70. Are you understanding this one? Solve the another one. Okay. 40% of a number is 60. What is 50% of the number? 40% of a number is 60. 50% is
75.
40% of a number is 60.
75.
75. So 60 divided by 40 into 50. 0 and 0 will be cancelled. 12 5 is 60. Right. 50% of the number is 60.
Sir, wrong, sir.
Then 15 5 is 75. 75 is your answer? How many of you got 75? What are the remaining students? 40%. Another 60. 40% is 60. 1% ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 1%. 60 by 60 divided by 40. 1% 60 by 40. ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು percentage ಬೇಕು? 50%. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 50% ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು both sides into 50 into 50. I'll get 50%. So 50 into 150. That is 60 into 50 divided by 40. Solve that and you should get the answer. I'll take it to a different level now. I'll scale it up for like a advanced level. 60%. Okay. Next one. Shall I have this?
75.
The answer is 75. Okay, fine. Thank you. 20% of a number is 800. 20% of a number is 800. 70% is what? 20% of a number is 800. 70% is what? 20% of a number is 800.
2,800.
That is 20% is that. 1% is like 800 divided by 20. 0 and 0, that is 40. Into 70. 7 4s are 28. 0 2,800. Next. Let us say Pinto has 20 rupees. Chinto has 30 rupees. And Timo has 40 rupees. PCD, okay? P has how much? 20. C has how much? 30. E has how much? 40. Question I am the first one. Pinto is how much percentage less than C? Chinto and Timo. Question very fast. P is how much percentage less than C and T? Please come. You are appearing in YouTube. You are appearing in channel. Fine. I'll take the first one, you solve the second one. I'll take the first one, you solve the second one. Formula will not read. Difference divided by that. Now, what are the persons I'm comparing with? P and C. P value is the C value is the P and C. P value is 20. C value is 30. What is the difference? 10 divided by. Who is coming with then? Then जो तैयार करते हैं C or P? C. That will go to the denominator. Other value is the same though. What is 1 by 3? 33.33%. That means P is 33.33% less than C. Same thing, find out for T.
25%.
Second one. P is how much percentage less than T? P value is to the 20. C value is to the 40. What is the difference? 20. Divided by in by Beku. Divided by 40. By 40. Tan is coming with P. Again, divided by 40 into 100. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2? 50%. So same thing. Formula is same. Only the values will keep on changing. Second one. C is how much percentage more than T? C is how much percentage more than T? Less than T. Not more than T, less than T. C is how much percentage less than T? So C and T differences to the 10 divided by ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು 10 by 40 is how much 1 by 4 1 by 4 is how much 25%. Next T is how much percentage greater than C. T is how much percentage greater than C?
25.
No? Check ಮಾಡಿ. I know I'm very difficult to simulate practice. T and C difference ಏನದ 10 ಆಮೇಲೆ divided by 30 into 100. 0 and 0 it cancel. 1 by 3 is how much? 33.33. So your answer is 33.33. I hope you are understanding the difference. Correct? So these are the very basic questions that will be asked in your percentages concept. Shall we go and solve some questions? I will take some different percentages. However, I have not promised to solve all the questions. There are like 180 questions over here. Next. First question is loading. A student multiplied a number by what? 3 by 5 instead of 5 by 3. What is the percentage error in calculation? Fraction 3 by 5. Normally, what we do is we take 5 by 3 minus 3 by 5 divided by 5 by 2. We'll do like this into 100, but it is in fraction. You'll not understand anything. So let us go with the concept now. There is some wrong value, there is some correct value. Correct? There are two things. First one is wrong, second one is correct. What is the wrong value over here? Wrong in other 3 by 5 or 5 by 3? 3 by 5. Other wrong value 3 by 5. Correct value another 5 by 3. That is in fraction. One kalsa mati. We'll take a number. Send this numerator over there. Sorry, denominator that side. This denominator that side. After multiplying, 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25. Did you understood this? If I say 2 by 7 is the wrong value, 7 by 2 is the correct value, what is the number you will get now? 4 and 49. Did you understood this one? Next. So what we are saying is, he took 9 instead of 25. Our difference is to the from 9 to 25. Our difference is to the 16. 16 is your difference. That is the complete error. So error 16 month. On the correct value, what is the correct value you have to use? Take the correct value. That is error divided by correct value into percentage ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 100 multiply ಮಾಡಿ 25 ones are 25 fours are 16 fours are that is 64%. Write it down. I know it a bit advanced one, but you guys should know how to do it. Next one, solve this 2 by 5 and 5 by 2. Find the percentage of error 2 by 5 and 5 by 2. Find the percentage of error when it is 2 by 5 and the other side is 5 by 2. 84. 5 5 is a 25, that is 4. And what is the error? 21 into 4, that is 84. That is your second answer. Let me go. What is the value? E is by of. E is another 2 divided by 50. 2 by 50 is 1 by 25. I became fan of your confidence. 2 cube 6. Not one time, multiple times. Use next one. This one will be solved. 30% of a number is x. 30% of a number is 72. 30% is 72. Very good. 100% another. That is question mark. %30 is 72. 100% another.
240.
240.
डबल हो गया सर
72 divided by 30 into 100. 0 and 0. 7, 8, 9 divisible. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. That is 240. Hey, do not write questions, please. Do not write any questions. Only concept, only formulas. 1 kg is how many grams?
1000.
Morning. What percent of 35 kg is 70 grams? Is value another 70 divided by 35 kg in terms of grams. 350 or 3500.
3,500.
1 kg is how many grams? 1000 grams. 3.5 kg and raised to 3.5,000. This 0 and this point will get cancelled. How much? 3.5 into 100. Zeros and 0 get cancelled. 35 ones are 35. 2s are. What's the answer now? 2%. Next. What percent of a day? Bad. I don't want that. Calculate it. Next. A earns 25% more than B. You can get this kind of question. Right now, A equals to 25. Right? As it is, I'm writing 25% more than B. A is getting 25% more than B. How much percentage does B earns less than A? Less than A. For example, we'll assume if A is earning 100 rupees, B will get how much? 125. 25% is more. That is, when I compare from 100, it is 125. What is the formula I have to use? Difference by 10. What is the difference now? Divided by 125. Then I'll yaad hai bata hai. This is B, this is A. My bad. Divided by into how many market? How many market? 25 how much? 25 5 125. 25 4 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. The answer is 20. My question is, can I say A is 1 by, what is 25 percentage? 25 percentage is to the 1 by 4. Then B. 1 by 4 then B. Now can I say B has, let us say, 4 rupees. Denominator I'll assign to B. Then A is more, right? I'll add the numerator. 4 plus 1 into 5. Now what is the difference?
1.
Then यार जैसे करता है 1 by 5 into. Did you understand this one? Will you practice one more question?
Yes,
ನಾನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Wait. If I say this question is instead of 25, 20% more, then my bad. Listen, 20%. A earns 20% more than B. So 20% in the range.
1 by 4.
20% is what?
1 by 5.
1 by 5. So B is having how much? 5 rupees. A will have how much? Add 1 by 4. 5 plus 1? 6. Difference in 1 to 1. 1 by A value is to the 6. 1 by 6 answer is to the
16.66.
16.66 percentage. Did you understand this? In a very short, I am doing that. One more question. One more question. अच्छा करिए. Where is my previous one? If A is 16.66% more than B, then B is how much percentage less than A? B is how much percentage less than A? That is our question. Now tell me, I'll write down A, I will write down B. 16.66% is what? 1 by 6. Now I have to assign the number 6. Whom shall I assign, A or B? Alone. 16.66% more than B. Which number I should assign? We'll head back to the previous question. 25% what is 25%? 1 by 4. Correct? Now I have A, I have B. Initially, how do we solve? B is nothing but 100. A is how much? 125. So, if I take ratios, that is 5:4. 25 4s are 100, 25 5s are 125. B value in monthly 4. Then B. Then is with B, value is 4. Now similarly 6. Then B. Below B or below A?
Below B.
Below B 6. Below A 7. Okay. Same thing here also. You see here. I'll say 20%. We took 20% as our example. Correct? 20% is what? 1 by 5. I wrote A, I wrote B. B and the ordinary 5. A and 1 to 6. Are you understanding this?
Yes, sir.
I am spending a bit longer time over here. What is the difference? 1. Divided by ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು?
7.
7. Then he's coming with 8. Don't get confused, guys. Again, I'm saying. Okay? Why am I saying this is because if I say this like this, equation alone, right? I know I'm switching from question to question because multiple concepts are there. A is 25% more than B. A ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ B value we have to find. B I can say that is 100 rupees. Then what is A? 125 rupees. Correct? But you'll get stuck when I say this as 14.14%. 14.28%. If I say that, what you will do instead of this, you will be like 114.28%. Now, in your exam, it will be very difficult for you to find the percentage. Yes or no? Correct? So, same thing. 14.28. What is 14.28?
1 by 7.
7. I write A, I write B. In then is with B. That is 7. I'll equal to 8. Difference is to the 1 by 8. What is 1 by 8? 12.5%. Did you understood this all terms?
Yes, sir.
Till now any doubts? No? Chalo, theek hai. Right or not? Did you write it?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Right. Again, I am saying I'll use this addition and subtraction only of the fraction. So get habituated of the percentage. What is 33.33%? 1 by 3. 16.66%. 11.11%. 1 by 9.09%.
1 by 11.
8.33%.
1 by 12.
1 by 12. 25%.
1 by 4.
40%.
2 by 5.
2 by 5. Very good.
ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೋರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಓಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ
Next. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ same method. Try it once. A's height is 10% more than B height. Normal method. If I take A, if you are not comfortable with shortcut, go with normal method. A is 10% more. If I say B is 100, what is A? 110. Then B height is how much less than A height? What is the difference now? Divided by 110 into 0 and 0. What is 1 by 11? 9.09%. 9.09%. That is nothing but option number 4. You are getting 1 by 11 only, right? So if you remember this, that is 1 by 11 itself. Both are same. Shall I go to next question? Solve this. Salary of Manoj is 40% less than Subhash. Then by what percentage is the salary of Subhash more than that of Manoj? Manoj, Subhash. Manoj is 40% less or more than less. Then Subhash. If I say Subhash is 100, what is Manoj? 60. 40 difference divided by in Manoj. Then that is 60 into 100. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 2 2s are 2 3s are. What is 2 by 3? 2 by 3, 66.66. So 66.66 is nothing but 66 2 by 3. Did you understand that one? Or 66.66. A very easy concept. Next one. You don't know it. A man who spends 66.66% in his income is able to save how much? 1200. What is his monthly expenses? What is 1 by 3? What is 2 by 3? What is 3 by 3? What is 3 by 3? 100%. If I have 100%, I have breaken into 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. First 2 parts, that is 2 by 3. 2 parts out of 3 parts. That 2 parts is my spending. Correct? That spending is how much? 2 by 3 value?
66 points.
2 by 3 if I am spending, saving as well the number like 3 parts, 2 parts spent. Saving is what? 1 part. 1 by 3 other. 1 by 3 value is the saving.
1200.
1200. So 1 by 3 is how much? 1200. Spending is nothing but expense. 1 by 3 is 1200. What is 2 by 3?
2400.
2400. Are you understanding this fact? A very simple one. If you know the concept, very easy. 100 minus 66.66. That is 33.33. That 3.33 is nothing but 1200. Then what is 66.66? Are you understanding this? Right out. Guys, am I going fast?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Do you want me to reduce the content quality? Questions, do you want me to make it easy for you to understand? Next question on your screen now. After solving, raise your hand so that I can see that you have solved the question. Let's go. Let me see how many of you have solved the question. Income of A is 40% less than that of B. How much percentage income is more than that of B? Raise your hand and you got the answer. 1, 2, only 2 students. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8.
60%.
66.3%.
60%.
A minute ago you were saying I was going fast when you are solving the question now. Banda. Next one. Income of A is 25% less than that of B. By how much percentage B income is more than that of B? 33 point. Option C, 33 1 by 3. 33.33. Option C, correct. Option 3. Next one. A salary is 50% more than of B. Then how much percentage B salary is less than that of A? Difference. Option 33.33%. Nice, you are like quite fast. Let me go to the question. What are the lessons in data? This question, write down. Write down this question. Write down this question. Price of sugar rises by 20%. Rises by 20%. Option 3, 16.66 correct answer. Same thing, whatever you have done, same thing, logic, same logic you have to use here also. Price of the sugar rises by 20%. By how much percentage should the consumption of the sugar be reduced so that the expenditure does not change? So that the expenditure does not change. 16.66. 16 by 3. Earlier, let us say the price is 100 rupees. What is the new price? 120. Difference here is 20 divided by 120 into 1 by 6. 16 to by 3%. Next. The price of the food goes up by 10%. By how much percentage a man should reduce his consumption so that there is not an increase in the expenditure? Earlier, now 10, 1 10, 10 by 11, 110 into 11, that is 1 by 11. 9, 1 by 11, that is option number 8. Next, write down the heading. Percentage increase, percentage decrease. Next heading, percentage increase, percentage decrease. Percentage increase, percentage decrease. Percentage increase, percentage decrease. Guys, listen here. Earlier in the market, there were in the initial stages, you need the bottle. It is completely of copper color. What is that bottle name? Yellow color. New company launched a bottle. Okay, and the bottle went in a hype. I'll tell you, it was like for health it is very good. It seems if you drink from that. What is that bottle? Copper bottle. Yes. When it came to the market, let us say the price were 100 rupees. Let us say the price of the bottle is 120. After some time, there was a huge demand in the market. If the demand is high, what happens to the price? Price, let us say it got 10% increase. Okay? What is the price now? The price got increased from 10%.
142.
132.
132. 132. What is 10% of 120?
$12.
Add ಮಾಡಿ 132. I should get the answer of 132. Not only what is 10% in terms of fraction?
What's up?
10% in terms of fraction.
1
10 by 100. 10 by 100 is equal to
1 by 10.
1 by 10. 1 by 10. Listen to my words very carefully. 1 by 10. So, are you increasing the price or decreasing the price? Increasing. So that is numerator should be plus. Okay. What is your denominator? 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. That is 11 by 10. Now you do 120 rupees is nothing but 10% increase, right?
Yes, sir.
10% increase means you are saying that it is 1 by 10. That is 11 by 10. You are adding 1 rupee, 10 rupees in the top. That is 11 by 10. Multiply 120 into 11 by 10. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. How much? 132. So you can see this way also. Write down the heading multiplication of 11. Multiplication of 11. Multiplication of 11. Seven, 2, 5, 4. Multiply with 11. 7, 2, 5, 4. Multiply with 11. Now do one thing. Can I say 11 can be written as 10 plus 1? Correct? So 7, 2, 5, 4, 0 plus 7, 2, 5, 4. 7, 2, 5, 4, 0 and 7, 2, 5, 4. My bad. Add my raise to 4, 9, 7, 9, 7. That is the answer. And to make it very short for you guys, answer 11 check mark. What is the last number?
4.
Write down 4. 4 after 4 plus 5. 9. Next 5 is done. 5 plus 2. 7. Next 2 plus 7. 9. 7 plus anything? 7. That is your answer. Solve this. 3 to 5 to 6 multiplied with 11. 357786. 6, 7, Okay, next one. 320 rupees. First increase by 20%. Then later increase by 20%. First increase by 20%, then decrease by 20%. What is the value? 320 rupees increase by 20%, then decrease by 20%. So that is matter. What is 20% of 320? 64. Add what the raise to 384. What is 20% of 384? 384 plus 384. 76.8. 10% under 38.4 plus 38.4, that is 768. Minus 1 raised to 384 minus 76.8. Didn't understand. Not only many students will understand. Yes, Bantu? 308.8. 308.8. Now, guys, if you didn't understood anything, listen here. First, what is the percentage I am increasing? 20%. Then what is the percentage I am decreasing? 20% increase, 20% decrease. So 20% when I increase, what is the initial percentage that I had? Initial percentage 100%, or 100% how much did I increase? 20%. So can I say this into 320? So 100% I had plus 20% I increased. 100 plus 20% is 2. That is into 120 divided by 100. So that is an addition over there. Now second thing. So initially what is the percentage I have? Again I am asking. Initial percentage. 100. So second time increasing or decreasing? Decreasing. Plus part by minus part by minus. So minus part by 100 minus 20 is to 80. That is into 100 minus 20. 100% minus 20%. What I'm saying is this is completely my 100%. Is it true or false? You'll get some value here. You'll get some value. That complete value is your 100%. From that 100%, how much you are reducing? 20%. So 100 minus 20 is like to 80. So I can directly write down as 80 into 100. Sorry, 80 divided by 100. Now I can cancel 0 and 0. Okay. Do not go for another division. Multiply all the values. You can cancel out this 0 also. 12 7 6 it's a 96. 32 into 96. You guys solve it. You guys solve it. 12 into 8 into 32. Two 26. So 56. You'll get some 4 digits. 3072 divided by 10 is there. So 307.2 is your answer. Just to understand whether you have understood it or not. %20 increase, 20% decrease, 1 rupees 100. What is the value? 20% increase, 20% decrease on 100. I want everyone to solve this using the same method. 100 plus 20, 100 minus 20, and multiply 100. All the values. So 100 into 120 by 100 into 80 by 100. Yes, but to answer. 96. Everyone got 96?
Yes, sir.
100 into 120 into 80 by 100. 0 0 0 and 0, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 12 8s are 96. That is your answer. So, question on hand. For example, there is some value x. 20% increase, 20% decrease. The value is 96. You can go in reverse also. Other one 3 takes into first increase of the 8 by 120 by 100. Other decrease of that is 80 by 100 is equals to. You can go in reverse way also, you will get the same value. Okay. So this is percentage increase and percentage decrease. Write up percentage change. Percentage change. Percentage change. Now, listen here. If I have same percentage increase and same percentage decrease, it is always a loss. Write down. Same percentage increase, same percentage decrease, always a loss. There is always a loss. There is always a loss. And the loss is p square by 100. P square by 100. That is percentage square divided by 100. That is your loss percentage. How much did you lose? P square by 100. For example, when I take 100 rupees, when I set my 100 rupees bottle, first increase was 20%, then decrease was 20%. What is the final value I got? 96. In terms of rupees, how much rupee you lost? 4 rupees. In terms of percentage, 4%. Now what is the P value? Both are saying what is P value? 20 square. What is 20 square? 400 by 100. What is the percentage loss now? 4%. Are you understanding this part?
Yes, sir.
Write down successive percentage. Next one.
Succession.
Write down next heading successive percentage. Successive percentage. Yeah, slash discount. Slash discount. Successive percentage slash discount. Write down the formula A plus B plus AB by 100. That is percentage change or successive percentage. A plus B plus AB by 100. Where you have some percentage over there, A and B. Both are different. Now, if I consider my question, first one was what? 20% increase. A value is 20% increase plus. Second one was what? Increase or decrease? Decrease. So can I take minus 20 plus 20 into minus 20 divided by 100. This is 0. 20 into 20. 20, 100 plus or minus? Minus divided by 100. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. What is the value? What is minus 4 now? Loss. Minus 4 is nothing but loss. How much percentage change you got? Minus 4. There is a difference in terms of percentage. Okay. If it is increased, positive. If it is decreasing, negative. Write down the heading ratios and proportions. Ratios and proportions. What is ratio? What is ratio? Not ration, ratio. Something 2 dots. 2 dots. If I compare two persons, ratio is nothing but defining a relationship or a conclusion between two persons. Okay, two quantities. Example, if I say person A scored 30 marks, person B scored 36 marks. What is the ratio now?
5:6.
5 is to
6.
6. So that is the ratio.
The relationship
That means
between two numbers.
if A invested 20,000 and B invested 60,000, what is the ratio now? 1 is to 3. That means A hold only one part, but B hold 3 parts out of total 4 parts. Okay. Next, if I say A equals to 1 is to 3, B equals to 2 is to 5. What is the ratio between A is to B is to C? Write down this part. If A equals to 1 is to 3, B equals to 2 is to 5, what is the value when A is to B is to C?
2:6 to 15.
Is to
2:6 is to 15.
What is the value between A and B?
1:3.
1 is to 3. Does everyone know this? How to solve? A and B, 1 is to 3. B and C is to the
2:5.
2 is to 5. So I have taken A and B, B and C. Correct? I don't have a value here, I don't have a value here. Whatever this person, whatever the number is here, it will come here. So 3. What is the number which will come here?
2.
Same thing. Wouldn't copy, very nice. 2 ones are 3 twos are 5 threes are your number is this. That is your number. Solve it. Seven is to 5, 2 is to 7. What is A is to B is to C?
14, 10, 35.
14, 10,
35. 35.
35.
Common number le multiply.
Guys, listen here. 7 twos are 5 twos are 7 fives are. These are your ratios. Okay, instead of writing it down in 2 ways, directly multiply there itself. Okay? Next, let me go to the question. This one, tell me. Twice of A equals to thrice of B equals to 4 times of C. What is the ratio between A, B and C? First I'll write down A is to B, next B is to C. Twice of A equals to thrice of B are the first value. So A by B is A by B.
3 by 2.
3 by 2. So A is to B is how much?
3:2.
3 is to 2. Can I say in front of A the value is 3?
Yeah.
In front of B, the value is 2. Then B is to C as well. In front of B, what is the value? 4. In front of C, what is the value? 3. So you have the ratios like this. 3 is to 2, 4 is to 3. 3 is to 2, 4 is to 3. 4 3 is a 4 2 is a 8 is a. Which table shall I divide with?
2.
2 6 is a 12. 2 4 is a 8. 2 3 is a 6. What is the answer now? Did you understand this one?
Yes.
Any doubts? Shall I repeat once again? Twice of A equals to twice of B equals to 4 times of C. First I'll write A is to B. What is the value in front of A? 3. What is the value in front of B? 2. Next. Close matrix. Next. Between B and C you take. B and C. What is the value in front of B? 4. What is the value in front of C? 3. That's it. And multiply the values there, sir. Are you understanding this? And you can do it, take it this way also. 3 2s are 6. 2 1s are okay. No, you can't. Just write it. 4 3s are 12. 4 2s are 8. 6. 6 4 3. Shall I move to next question? Okay. If 2000 rupees is divided among 3 persons, X, Y, and Z, and are in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 5, find the share of Y. Share of 5 is to write. Share of 5.
3.
3
600
divided by total share is to the 10 into total amount 0 and 0 it cancel.
600 ಆಗತ್ತೆ.
600. Are you understanding this point?
Yeah, yes.
Share of 5 divided by total share equals into amount. There is one more way of doing this. Total amount is what is the name? Total share is the total share, that is 2 plus 3 plus 5. Total share 10. So one part is like to one part 200. 2 part is like to 3 part is like to 5 part is like to 1000. Are you understanding this? Total share equals to total amount. Next question. A sum of money is distributed among A, B, C and D are in the proportion 5 to 4 and 3. If C get 1000 more than D, find the share of D. If C get 1000 more than D. C and D ratio is to the C and D ratio is to the 4 is to 3. Who is getting more? Who is getting less? If C is getting more, how much more did he got from D? 1. That one part is how much in the question? How much he got in terms of rupees more? 1000 rupees he got extra. But in terms of ratio, yes to the ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕದ 1 ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗದ ಯಾರ ಬಲ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗದ C. That one how much in terms of rupees 1000. So one part is 1000. Share of B is kada andre ಎಷ್ಟು 2000. That is option number C. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Do you want me to repeat? CX 1000 more in terms of ratio, that is one part extra. So one part equals to 1000. So share of B is how much? 2 parts. So one part 1000, 2 parts how much? 2000. What is the share of A? 5000. What is the share of C? 4000. What is the share of B? How much he got extra? 1000. Next question, I'll leave it to you. Solve it. A is to B 6 is to 5. ಆಮೇಲೆ B is to C is kada 10 is to 9. 6 5s are sorry 6 10s are 60. 50 45. 9 5s are 45. 9 10s are sorry 5 9s are 45. 5 10s are 50. 5 12s are 60. So these are my ratio. Total is 2. 12 plus 10 22. 22 plus 9 30. 31 equals to how much? 31 equals to 1 to 40. How much I want? Find 9. 1 to 40 divided by 31. So 31, 3 4s are 12. 31 into 4, 40. 31 into 40. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ 3 4s are 12. 1 4s are 4. That is 40. 31 into 4 ಮಾಡಿ 31 into 4 124. That means 40. 31 40 is a 1s are 40 is a one part is how much? 40. 9 part C value is 9 parts. 9 4s are 360. That is option number B. I hope you are understanding the concept.
Yes, sir.
Shall we take 5 minutes break?
Yes, sir.
We have breaks, madam. Sir. Don't be anywhere, sit here itself. Guys, sit here itself. No one should go anywhere. 5 minutes to chat, refer the notes. Much
ಅವ್ರು ಸರ್ ಹೋದ್ರು ಸರ್ ಹೋದ್ರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ
Read the following question. Boys, please. Girls. Read the following question and sum of rupees how much?
187.312.
What the answer? Answer is
187.3, 124 I think so.
where are the remaining students? They went to drink chai. 'See, boys plus girls. How many students are there in the class? 100. Each boy gets how much? Plus. Each girl gets how much? What is the money distributed? Idols and boys there, girls there. They can value substitute over there. Solve that equation. You can use this. Substitute the value of girls in equation 2 and you'll get the answer. Number of girls, or you can consider boys also. 100 minus G if you want. If you got the answer, keep it with you, don't say the answer. Please don't say the answer how many boys or how many girls are there. Please don't solve part. Solve the equation. Struggle is real, I can see in your eyes. One answer. And Last bench. Solving. Apparently, I'll come and check the notes.
Sir, 48. 48. Fraction.
Sorry, girls, boys, yes.
How many girls are there? Total is there?
3 12
Total students is there 100. Out of 100, how many are boys? How many are girls? You need to find out.
Out ratio for the
Ratio for the
sorry.
value they are given. Each boy is getting this, each girl is getting that. Total amount distributed is in 100 boys and girls. If you want to use calculator, if you are not able to find out. What the answer?
Abo itanda ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
Check.
Sir, 60, sir, answer.
60
Correct. See, how much money am I distributing?
3 12
Boys and girls. Each boy gets how much? 3.60. Each girl get how much? How many boys and girls are there? 100. So I'll say that 3.60 into boys. Each boy is getting plus 2.40. Each girl is getting. Total amount is 312. I can say that one boy equals to 100 minus girls. Can I say that?
Yes, sir.
Boys plus girl equals to 100. So boy equals to what? 100 minus girls. Correct? So I'll write down place of boy, I'll write down girls. So 3.60 into 100 minus girls equals to 2.40 girls equals to 312. Now you have this equation in front of you. Solve the value. 3.6 into 100. How much? 360 minus 3.60 girls minus 2.40 girls equals to 312. Sorry, less than less. Write down till here. Write down till here. From there you go. This thing. 360 minus 312 is equals to 3.60 girls minus 2.40 girls. So 360 minus this one. That is, if I give 8, it will be 20 plus 40, 48 equals to
1.2.
1.2 G. 48 divided by 1.2. 40. 12 goes up 48, that is 0 is there, 0 will go on the top, that is 40.
Yes, sir.
How many girls are there? 40 girls. Did you understand how to solve?
Yes.
Yes, very basic thing.
180.60 divided by 6 marks 60 boys 40 girls.
I'll not use this method. I'll never use this method. Listen here, the power of ratio. Listen, I'll say boys, I will say girls. Total how many students are there? Each boy, one boy gets how much rupee? Each girl gets how much rupee? What is the ratio? If I remove this decimals and I can cancel this 0 and 0, that is 36 is to 24. Now what is the ratio between that? Ratio between that. Divide by 12. 12 to some?
Raised to 2.
Raised to 2. Total is how much? 3 plus 2? 5 parts is nothing but 100 students. One part is how much? 20. How many boys are there? 3 parts. So 3 part how much? 60. 2 parts how much? 60 boys and 40 girls. Instead of solving all these equations, you can solve it in this way. That is your method too. A very short and very easy way of identifying this kind of questions. Any doubts? Shall I repeat once again? No? Write down the heading. Ratios based on mixtures. Write down the heading, ratios based on mixture. Ratios based on mixture. Not that mixture, like guys, pens down, don't write anything. One question, another one question I'll give you, try to solve it yourself. Question noted. A 80-liter solution containing, how many liter it is? Containing milk and water. What is the ratio of milk? 2 is to 3. Okay. How much milk is to be added to make the ratio solution? New ratio should be 4 is to 1. Now my question. Milk is how many parts? 2 parts. Water is how many parts? 3 parts. Total how many parts? 5 parts. Can I say 5 part equals to 80 liters?
Yes.
So if 5 parts equals to 80, how much milk is there then? 5 part equals to 80. How much milk is there? 2 parts. So 2 parts how much? 1 part is how much? 5 ones are 5. 6, 7, 8, 3.
26, 22.
So 1 part is 16 liters. 2 parts how much? 32 liters. 3 parts how much? 48 liters. That means we have 32 liters of milk and 48 liters of water. Now what we are adding? What we are adding here? Adding what? Milk or water? How much milk should be added? So we are adding milk. What happens to water? As same method. Correct? Water is same. So what is the container now? Ratio in weight number. 4 is what? Milk. 1 is what? Water. Water there is no change. We added milk. Water is same, right? So what is the quantity of milk there? 1. So 1 part. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟದ? ಅದು same ಅದಲ್ಲ? That means what? This container I am adding milk. When I add milk, water is same. What is the ratio of water here? 1. That means 1 part is how much? 48. 4 part means how much? 48 into 4. What is 48 into 4 is 2? The moment calculation comes,
196.
calculator is ready. 190. In milk is 192. But already some milk is present in the container. That is 2. 192 minus 32 is 2. 160. How much milk did you add now? 160 liters milk you added to the solution to make it 4:1 ratio. Did you understand this part?
Yes, sir.
All the best. Solve it. In a 60 liters mixture of milk and water, the ratio of milk and water is 7:5. Two 20. Huh? 220. 220. Any other answers? Any other answers? Fine. I'll go in step by step answer. Try to answer this. Total how many parts are there? 12 part equals to 16. 1 part is to 5. So how much milk is there now? 35. 25. Next. What am I adding here?
Water.
H2O. So what happens to milk? Milk is same. Milk and water ratio in weight method. 5:7. एक milk quantity is
35.
5 parts. In terms of ratio, it is 5 parts. What is the value in the container? 35. How the milk same is alla? Same idre 5 35. 1 part is to 5 parts 35. One part is like 7. So 7 parts means how much? 49. 49 liters of water, but already some water is present. How much water is present earlier? Minus 25 market. Yes, so that is 24 liters of water is to be added. Did you understood this? If not, I'll give this PPT. You sit and study these practices. Different types are there. 1, 2, 3. Write down any problems, some points. Write down the question. Not probability wala. This is ratios and proportions. A different one. We have this concept. Probability. A bag contains how much? 10 rupees. Now listen here very carefully. One point I did discuss earlier. See, if your ratio is 2:3, you have to assume a number that is 2x is to 3x. That one thing is I forgot to mention. If the ratio is 7:2, what is the number now? 7x is to 2x. Now we have 10 rupees in the bag. 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. Ratio is what? 4:6:9. What is the number? 4x? That means 5 rupee coins, how many are there? 4x. 2 rupee coin, how many are there? 6x. 1 rupee coin, how many are there? 9x. So 5 into this. 5 was a 20x plus 12x plus 9x. Total, what is the money I want? 14. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 14 rupees ಬೇಕು ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 20 plus 12 plus 9. 41x equals to x is equals to if x is 10, how many 2 rupee coins are there? 60. How many 5 rupee coins are there? 40. How many 1 rupee coin are there? 90. That is your answer.
No,
If you guys want, take a photo of this. Turn on solve, listen here. The number of employees are reduced in the ratio 3:2. Salary is what? 4:5. Earlier, now. Now listen here. The number of employees reduced in the ratio 3:2. How many members were there? 3. Now how many members are there? 2. And salary of each member increased by 4:5. Salary is increased respectively. Now by doing so, company saves how much? 40,000. By doing this, company saves 40,000. Find the expenditure. One question: what is expenditure to a company? Expense to a company. Huh? Using this data. What are the expenses in the question? For the company. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ so employees into salary can I say number of employees into their salary so expense can I say employees into salary is nothing but expense so how many employees were there 3 each got how many 4 4 3s are 12 5 2s are 10 how much are you saving here 2 parts you are saving 2 parts how much they are given saving amount 40,000 2 parts 40,000 find the initial expenditure is to 2 parts 40,000 12 parts is to 2 parts 40,000 12 parts is to
120.
2 lakh
120.
4 lakh are you bidding something different answers you are giving huh? someone is saying 180 someone is saying 2.2 lakhs say the answer 2 parts 40,000 12 parts how much 1 part is to 20,000 12 part is to 12 2s are 24 that is 2 lakh 40,000 correct 10 part is to 10 part 2 lakh thank God you know that a big help I should have asked final expenditure only so initially they were spending 2,40,000 now they are spending how much 2 lakh so 40,000 is what they are able to save next question I was waiting for this question for the whole day write down this Income of A and B are in the ratio 2:3 and their expenses are in the ratio 5:9. Income are in the ratio 2:3, expenses are in the ratio 5:9. If saving is 1500, find their incomes. Find their income. Now listen to me very closely. I know the income ratio. What is the ratio? 2:3. Income minus savings. If I remove from income my savings, what are the two? It will give my expense ratio. So income of A and income of B are in the ratio. Can I say income of A is to income of B in terms of number 2x and 3x? Initially, some 2x amount is there, some 3x amount is there in terms of salary. So 2x by 3x. How much are they saving? Yes, same one here. 1,500 minus 1,500 minus 1,500. Correct? Gives me an expense ratio. Expense ratio is to the 5:9. Cross multiply and find the value of x. Cross multiply, find the value of x. Substitute our 2x and 3x. How much? How much? X value big one. 9 2s are 18. 5 3s are 15. 18 minus 15. 3x. 3x equals to 10,500 minus 60. Somewhat around 2,000, I guess you get. X values.
Sir, age income 2,600.
Income.
2,600. B 3,900.
Income is 2,600. Fifteen paisa. X equals to 13,500 minus 7,500. 6,000. X per name mantu
2,000.
I'm stuck with your answers. How many of you got 2,000? Good for me. Go ahead and start. Thank you. Got it? What is the income of A now? X value 2000. 2x in the raised to 4000 and 6000. Income of A is 4000, income of B is 6000. Any doubts over here? Solve this question now. After this question, I'll stop this topic.
So next what is 20, right? Equal to 20. Yes.
Next value, guys, I will stop very soon. After this question, there are some things I want to discuss. What is the value of x?
20. 20.
X value is 20. 4x 5x minus 25 equals to 3 by 4. Cross multiply. 4 4s are 16x minus 100 equals to 16x minus 75. X value in bantu.
25.
X value is
25.
25. Yes, x is 25. Initial second number is how much? 5x value in another. 5x 5 into 25.
5 to 25.
125. Answer is another 5 into 25. 125.
Yes, sir.
Did you understood this method?
Yes, sir.
Two things from my end. Wait. The method which we solved just now, same method, remaining 5 questions are there, but different topic. Same method, nothing changed. If you are okay, I'll start the next topic tomorrow. But before that, listen to a short method. Tomorrow when you come, practice that shortcut method once. Two things. Go home and practice those 2 questions for me. I'll say those 2 questions, no need to write anything. Understand what are the 2 questions. It will take hardly 2 minutes of time. Can I say there are 2 ratios? Yes, what are the ratios? 4:5 and 3:4. This is my first number, this is my second number. Correct? Now, what is the difference here? 1. From first number to first number, what is the difference? 1. From second number to second number? 1. Difference is same? Same another? What is the difference? What is one number common in the question? How much are you reducing? How much are you reducing? 25. Question only. How much are you reducing?
25.
Both the numbers you are reducing by?
25.
You are reducing by what?
25.
Both numbers you are reducing by 25. One part equals to 25. 5 parts means how much?
125.
That is your answer. Okay. Now, first number is how much? Then 25 goes up. This one how much? This much how much? But Did you understand this one? Listen, last one thing. Any difference same month, Sana? You want to go home early or not? You want to go home early? So listen. Difference is same or difference is same or different? Same. In order. Again, I have two ratios. Income ratio in another. 2:3. Expense ratio in another. Difference in bantu. Our difference in bantu. Same other difference. So again, I'll start. If you didn't understand, tomorrow also I'll say. But understand this and go. It will be very convenient for me. 2:3, 5:9. Difference is not same. Take the individual difference. In difference in bata. In difference in bata. But cross multiply into 4 into 1. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 1 5s are 1 9s are 9. This is my income. This is my expense. What is the difference now? 3. What is the difference? 3. So 3 parts. Question again. Yes, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 1500. Both of them are saying common number. So 3 part equals to 1500. 1 part ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 500. 500 into 8 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು? 500 into 8. 4000. That is the value which you got. Next. Into B. 6000. 12 into 500. 12 into 500 is nothing but 6000. 12 5 is 60. 00 and there you go. Write out this method and then pack your bags.
Silence. I will take only 2 minutes of your valuable time. Last 2 minutes. Probably we come to know that some of the students are facing a time problem in the evening. Yes. How are you of? How many are of localite? Please raise your hand. Localite. Okay. Outside. Good number. Good number. We are taking one decision regarding time is concerned. If you all promise me that no, tomorrow onwards you will attend the session at on time. You have to promise me. What promise or what time we will tell you, no? Before 15 minutes, you all must be here. Is it okay? Is it okay? Yes. We have decided tomorrow onwards to start the session exactly at listen. A feasible time will be 9:30. Is it okay? Yes. Listen. Better stop talking with yourself. Better stop the talking yourself. Right? The session will start exactly at 9:30. You all must be here at 9:50. Clear? 9:30 to 1:30 first session. 1:30 to 2:30 lunch break. Right? Then 2:30 to 4:30 the session, sir. Second session. Is it fine? Then the students who are sitting backside, we have been observing that they are not concentrating towards the session. They are concentrating themselves to write assignments. Right? They are writing the CPP assignment. Am I right? For informed student. Am I right? Yes. Assignment is there or not? We know that. I know that student who is sitting in the last. Right? Listen. Bring your bags tomorrow so that everybody has to keep your mobile in the bags. It is compulsion. It is compulsion. Is it fine? Okay. We have started the journey of employability skill program today. How was the session? I need one voice. I need the answers from you all in one voice. How was the session? Good? Excellent? Better? Or bad? Yes, fine. Still we are being observed that you are keeping your doubts in your mind. Right? You are keeping your doubts in your mind. While my suggestion is, while you are learning something new, be open. Be open. Don't go with doubts, so that it will kill you. You are not getting skill. You will strike off yes. You will strike off yes. Then what remains? Right? This is what the things has to be noted out. And better you can make utilization of the sessions. Don't, please concentrate. Please concentrate. Hello? I think the sessions upcoming days are very useful. Right? In the morning itself, no, everybody has been in the opinion that if you go and seek for or learn for such kind of skills-oriented programs, at least they will spend 35 to 40,000 minimum. Right? You are getting this in free. Free in the sense, on behalf of you, the university has been investing on you. It is your duty that you have to repay back ROI. What is ROI? Return on investment. I need to say that, but in the last a minute or a second, you have to see, you have to learn, and don't waste your time when you are here. Please better concentrate towards you, pay your attention to learn everything. Is it okay? Yes, sir. Then we are making two things, that we are taking your attendance morning, evening. We'll come to know that who is present and who is absent. Based on that, no, we'll take a serious action on them who are absent. Is it clear? Okay, thank you. Leave for the day.